True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, yeah man, big up for yourself in the road I watch out. Don't know. I always I say, oh the St. Elizabeth Fire Reid there. It's a time I come way at St. Thomas. Show no I go on falls on the roadside. A lot of people from all over the world come see that falls there. So stick and stay and show no I go on beautiful people. One love and one heart. Yeah man, I'm talking to you. Big up yourself. Anyway I watch and I know say a Fire Reid this. See there? So the falls right across from the beach. Yeah man, this is a rough beach guys. That's it. So what I tell me say, Jamaica nice, Jamaica nice, Jamaica beautiful. Love me Jamaica. Anywhere we go, can't forget me Jamaica. So me say. Yeah, boss, I jag here in that trailer. Yeah man, that's how we love it and do it, you know. Yeah man, so we just walk in each side and so I go and same way. It's a bit kind of rough out here. Yeah man, rough. So yes, some people remember to indicate where you're watching from, you know? Indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, so I walk in local place and so I go on. Yeah man, I love Jamaica. I got always a tour place and show me, you know. Who can tell me what this is? Yeah man, this is them call him Arman, you know. Arman. So stick and stay. Still I gonna show them we spot Roselle Falls there, right on the main in St. Thomas. But you know some people are beard, so I don't really want to put them in the video. Some of us are showing around the area how the area is set up, you know. Yeah man, so I take a walk on the street side and so I go on. Yeah man, so when we come to Roselle Falls, we can get the fruits right here to buy and thing. Yeah man, see how the sweet sap and honey. So when you come to Roselle Falls, you come get the thing right here. Neesberry, mango. See it? Everything there that's started. So now check out right here, my beautiful people. Yeah man, everything. See I have Irish mash same way. Honey. See it man, nice and beautiful. Also Jamaican and nice. Everything by the starter, everything. So avocado, some people call it different name in different places and stuff, you know. Thank you, mother. Yeah, man, so see I go and see where I go through. I'm just giving a look walk through. Same speed. Yeah, man, so yeah, man, telling them people just indicate where they're watching from and tell me what I want to think about this area, guys. Them places are not for swimming or not for still, you know. So a lot of people don't want to swim. Yeah man, so it's not for any form of swimming. Yeah man, see it? Yeah man. Man as boss. Yeah man, see the almond tree and the star there you can get to the guinea any look what you want. Walk where I walk it straight. You know it. You know. You know, we burn look fire up on the roadside and things same way. The part of Jamaican culture same way. I don't like when they're foreign. Yes, my people, I tell you say place hot. Yeah man, the place hot. So you know what? The roadside you can take a cold shower at Roselle Falls. So I'm going to show you the falls right now, my beautiful people. Alright, stick and stay. See, cold shower. Roselle Waterfall. Yeah man, so I walk in and show you what I go on and no one. I don't know. Life nice, life sweet at Jamaica. You have to enjoy it to the fullest, you know? Yeah man, see falls there right now. Yeah man, I falls this. The water come from out of the rock. You might see where the water come from there. And how can I forget the name? So you see it with people, I tell you now, Jamaica nice, Jamaica beautiful. What do you say? Jamaica what? Land, food and water. So you need to come to St. Thomas and enjoy the scenery and also enjoy the water. Yes, my beautiful people, that's how it is. Yeah man, so you don't know, I'm a special YouTuber in a place. My eyes are yours is right here, so here we have to say and I want to tell the people they want to go on. Where you say my eyes are yours?
People, oh God man, I tell you, a long time I want to come and say, you know, people pass here so a couple times, but it's the first I'm stopping here, and trust me, stop here today. Oh God man, trust me, Fire Reid, I tell you, you know, we have some places to go, so make we leave we place and travel Jamaica and show the people them what I
So you like about the place?
Why the place nice, the atmosphere, the water, see, so cool. Okay, so I'm curious to know now, curious to know where the water is coming from.
So you find that?
I don't know, probably we have to take on that one day in our next video, because right now anything where I come from out of the hills is so pure and clean and cool.
Yeah man.
Yeah
so,
man,
so one day we'll do a deeper search and
yes,
see if we
man,
can find the water. Not sure.
Have to.
Alright,
have to do that.
So yes, so we'll do a deeper search one day and find the water which part that come from. So yes, my beautiful people, one love and one heart again. So thank you all for watching the video and thanks for the support you've given me over the years. One love, one heart, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.